707 million Shiba Inu tokens burned over last 48 hours report. Over a staggering 700 million SHIB memes coins have been burnt over the last 48 hours, according to the Twitter page of SHIB Burn Crypto Tracker. This account accumulates data on meme coins burns from the Etherscan platform, bringing it all in one spot for the Shiba Inu army. In the meantime, an Ethereum whale has acquired an astonishing amount of SHIB, 241.0 billion tokens. 7.7 million SHIB destroyed by community. In a recent tweet, the aforementioned SHIB tracker stated that in the past 24 hours, a total of 4.43935.4 SHIB tokens have been removed from circulation by getting moved to unspendable crypto address, i.e. 𝗦𝗛𝗢𝗡𝗏. From the amount, a 400 billion lamb was incinerated in merely one transaction earlier. SHIB Burn also tweeted that during the previous day, 3.6 million Shiba Inu were sent to incinerator wallets. Therefore, the sum of Shiba burned in the past 2 days equals roughly 7.7 million SHIB. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe the channel for more videos.